Okay, can you all see the text on the screen, students? So we have to start with question number 16. I think the question is already written. Okay, repeating the question, just check it. On which city did the rulers of the Chauhan dynasty gain victory? Was this a question? Okay. Here is the answer on this thing. Okay, your answer starts from here. The rulers. Start from here. The rulers of the Chauhan dynasty captured Delhi, the capital of the Tomar kings, and established their supremacy. Up to supremacy. This is your answer 5.16. Did you all get the answer? Can you see the answer? You? Okay, start writing. Okay, now comes your question number 17. Write down the question first. Which king which king is unparalleled? Check the spelling. Unparalleled मतलब उसके जैसा कोई नहीं है. He's the only king is there in the history. Okay? Unparalleled. Yes, I want all of you to turn off the mics. All of you turn off the mics, beta. When you want, yes. When you want to speak, you can turn on the mic. But जैसे ही खत्म हो जाए ना, off कर दो. So others are not disturbed. This is for Jessica specially. Jessica, check your mic. Every now and then it is open. और वीडियो ऑन रखो. उल्टा हो जाता है जेसिका का. वीडियो ऑफ एंड माइक ऑन. कालरिया. Yes, beta, I am repeating. Just wait. Chalo. The question is like this. Which king is unparalleled in the history of India? In the history of India? Question mark. Which dynasty? Check the spelling. Which? Same question. There are a set of two questions. Which dynasty did he belong to? Did he belong to? Again put a question mark. I'm repeating the whole question. Which king is unparalleled in the history of India? Question mark. Which dynasty did he belong to? तो ऐसा कौन सा किंग है जिसके जैसा there is no other king, and that particular king, the most courageous king, which dynasty did he belong? That is the question. All of you clear with the question? Okay. I am marking the answer. Prithviraj 3. It will be starting from here. जहाँ से 16 खत्म हुआ ना वहीं से 17. Prithviraj 3 or Raj Pithora was a powerful ruler of the Chauhan dynasty. He is unparalleled in the history of India. Up to history of India. This is your 5.70. Can all of you see the answer? Okay, start writing. Now comes your question number 18. Who has written ये वाला written, check, see the spelling. Who has written the story of Prithviraj Chauhan? The story of Prithviraj, P capital, Chauhan, C capital. And spelling you have written recently in your answer 17 itself. 17 में spelling लिखा ही है हमने. So I am not writing it. Okay. Who has written the story of Prithviraj Chauhan? Question mark. In which book? Again, it's a set of two questions. In which book? Question mark. I repeat the whole question. Who has written the story of Prithviraj Chauhan? Question mark. In which book? Question mark. Any doubts? Okay, here is your answer. Again in the same paragraph. Chand Bardai, a famous poet, has written about Prithviraj Chauhan's valor in his epic Prithviraj Raso. Up to Prithviraj Raso. ठीक है? यहाँ पर लिखा है रिगार्डिंग हिज वेलोर. वेलोर मीन्स ब्रेवरी. ये हमने ऑलरेडी मीनिंग्स में लिखा है. ओके. एंड एपिक. एपिक मीन्स अ बुक, अ लॉन्ग स्टोरी. स्टोरी छोटी होती है. एपिक इज अ लॉन्ग स्टोरी. ओके. सो दिस इज योर आंसर. एनी डाउट्स? चलो, नाउ कम्स योर क्वेश्चन 19. What is the meaning of what is the meaning of Rashtrakuta? What is the meaning of Rashtrakuta? Question mark. What is the meaning of Rashtrakuta? Question mark. Written? Okay. Here is your answer. जितना छोटा क्वेश्चन है उतना ही छोटा आंसर भी है. I'm marking over here. Rashtrakuta means, from here, Rashtrakuta means head of a state or area. Head of a state or area. Can you see this? This is your answer 19. Write down. Number 20. Which king, this is your question number 20. Which king had established a powerful kingdom, a powerful kingdom in the Deccan, what is this Deccan? Yes, south. Deccan comes from the word Dakshin. Dakshin means south, and it was spoken as Deccan in English. So your question is, which king had established a powerful kingdom in Deccan in 8th century? In 8th century. Put a question mark. I repeat, which king had established a powerful kingdom in Deccan in the 8th century? Got the question? Okay. Answer I am directly dictating. Govind III. गोविंद फिर डैश करके रोमन में 3. Govind III. Now remaining everything from the question. Had established a powerful kingdom in Deccan in 8th century. Had established a powerful kingdom in Deccan, D capital, in Deccan in 8th century. In 8th century. Full stop, complete. Any doubts? Okay. Question number 21. Which state is considered which state is considered, check the spelling, considered to be a very, to be a very ancient state. What is ancient? Yes, very old. Yes. A very ancient state in South India. In South S capital, India I capital. I repeat, which state is considered to be a very ancient state in South India? Put a question mark. Answer, I'm marking over here. See the last paragraph. The Pandya is believed to be very ancient. Only one sentence. दिख रहा है? The Pandya dynasty is believed to be very ancient. I hope you can see the answer. Okay, start writing. Okay, now number 22. Question 22. Why could C-O-U-L-D, could the rulers of Chola dynasty, rulers of Chola C capital, Chola dynasty attack on nations, attack on nations, nations मतलब countries, nations beyond the sea, beyond the sea. I repeat, why could the rulers of Chola dynasty attack the nations beyond the sea? मतलब दरिया के उस तरफ कोई किंगडम है तो वहां पर भी the Cholas could attack very easily. Do you know the reason? Yes, very good. Because they had a very powerful navy. Their water soldiers were very nicely trained. Okay, very good बेटा. चलो write down directly. पहले तो सब कुछ क्वेश्चन में से ही आएगा. The rulers of the Chola dynasty, the rulers of the Chola C capital, Chola dynasty could attack on nations, could attack on nations beyond the sea, beyond the sea, because they had a very powerful navy, a very powerful navy. Check the spelling. Full stop, complete. I repeat, the rulers of the Chola dynasty could attack on nations beyond the sea because they had a very powerful navy. Any doubts? Okay, number 23. Which powerful kings, which powerful kings existed check the spelling, Existed, existed in the Chera state, in the Chera C capital, Chera state. चेरा मतलब आज उसको कौन से नाम से जाना जाता है? Do you remember? Yes, very good. It's current Kerala. In olden times, it was the Chera state. Currently, it is known as Kerala. Very good. Okay, repeat the question. Which powerful kings existed in the Chera state? Question mark. Write the answer directly. मैं यहाँ पर आपको spelling underline कर रही हूँ. See this. Athan 2 and Chera Setungavan. Write these two spellings. Athan 2 and Chera Setungavan existed in the Chera state. Existed in the Chera C capital, Chera state. Full stop, complete. Any doubts? Okay, number 24. Where W-H-E-R-E, where is the state of Pandya? State of Pandya, P capital, and put a question mark. Where is the state of Pandya? Written? And the answer is over here. The Pandyas ruled in present-day Madurai and Tirunelveli in Tamil Nadu, up to Tamil Nadu. This is your answer 24. Can you all see? The Pandyas, यहाँ से आप लिखोगे. And now comes your last short answer, number 25. When and why did the Rajput wives Rajput are capital, wives plural, when and लिखा है बेटा यहाँ पर. When and why did the Rajput wives perform Johar? Perform Johar, J capital. What is this Johar? Yes, Johar means to burn alive. Very good. I repeat, when and why did the Rajput wives perform Johar? Put a question mark. Written? Okay. The answer is over here. They preferred, यहाँ से. They preferred Johar, that is to burn alive, if their husbands were defeated or attained martyrdom in wars, up to in wars. This is your answer 25. You have to write the bracket also. Can you all see the answer? Okay, write down. Okay, now is your main question number 6. अभी हमने 5.25 तक किया ना. Now it's your main question 6. Write the question. Explain the following terms. Explain the following terms. Terms मतलब words. कुछ नए words दिए हैं और आपको explain करने हैं. Okay, this is your question number 6, main question. उसमें है 6.1 and 6.2 और फिर chapter खत्म. Okay, this is your main question number 6. Explain the following terms. Have you written the instructions? Okay, अभी उसके नीचे होगा 6.1. The first term is feudal lord. Feudal lord. This is the question. आपको ये explain करना है. Have you written the question? Okay. Now this answer is on page number 18. So I will again require the help from this Naman. Chalo Naman, ready to share the page? Okay, चलो नमन पेज 18 को शेयर करो. अच्छा माही शेयरिंग. चलो माही, you can also see that 6.1 is marked over here. अब खुद एनोटेशन ओपन करके यहाँ पर मार्क करो so that others can see clearly. Starting from the first line. Sorry, the second line. It is from the. हाँ देखो यहाँ से second line से. The person who collected. Can you find that, Mahi? Second line पे. Okay, start the bracket from there. The person who collected the revenue of a particular province was called a landlord or feudal lord, that is Samant. Up to Samant. That is your 6.1. Can all of you see the answer, students? Okay, start writing. Yes, you only have to explain the term, nothing else. Okay, have you all written? चलो दिख रहा है ना आंसर. स्टार्ट राइटिंग.